Can I upgrade my RAM from 4 GB to a higher size on a Windows 10 64-bit system?
Hello, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll be discussing a commonly asked question. Can I upgrade my RAM from 4 GB to a higher size on a Windows 10 64-bit system? The short answer is yes, but there are a few things you need to consider before going ahead with the upgrade. Let's dive right in.
What is RAM and why might I want to upgrade it?
RAM, or Random Access Memory, is a type of computer memory that is used to store the data your computer is actively using. It's like your computer's short-term memory. The more RAM you have, the more data your computer can access quickly, allowing for smoother multitasking and faster load times for applications. If your system is slowing down, especially when you're running multiple applications or big software like video editing tools or games, it might be time to consider a RAM upgrade.
What to consider before upgrading RAM?
Before you start purchasing new RAM, there are a few things you need to know. 1. System compatibility. Ensure your computer's motherboard supports the amount of RAM you plan to install. You can check this in your system manual or on the manufacturer's website. 2. Type of RAM. Different systems require different types of RAM, such as DDR3, DDR4, or DDR5. Make sure you buy the correct type. 3. 64-bit system. Thankfully, you're using a 64-bit version of Windows 10, which can support more than 4 GB of RAM, unlike a 32-bit system.
How to upgrade RAM?
Upgrading RAM generally involves purchasing new RAM sticks, opening your computer, and inserting them into the correct slots on the motherboard. Here's a brief overview of the steps involved. 1. Purchase the right RAM. Once you've determined your system's compatibility and the type of RAM it requires, you can go ahead and purchase your new RAM sticks. 2. Power off your computer. Shut down your computer, unplug it from the power source, and open your computer case. 3. Install the RAM. Find the RAM slots on your motherboard, remove the old RAM sticks if necessary, and install the new ones in the correct orientation. The slots often have clips that will click into place when the RAM is properly seated. 4. Check your system. After you've installed the RAM, close your computer case, plug the computer back in, and start it up. Check to see if your system recognizes the new RAM by going to System Information in Windows 10. Upgrading your RAM can be a great way to breathe new life into an older computer or just improve your system's overall performance. Remember to do your homework first. Make sure your system can support the amount of RAM you want to install and that you're buying the correct type of RAM. I hope you found this guide helpful, and happy upgrading!